Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recreating some famous slime shops. Now, if you saw my post on Instagram, I used some of your guys' posts and I will make sure to shout you out as soon as those video clips come up. Also, I will be doing slime reviews. I'm just waiting on a whole bunch of packages, so this video is here for this week. Also, sorry for it being a little late, but, you know, working on it. And as always, please subscribe to my channel for exclusive content. Also, please hit that like button and also leave a comment down below. Give me some video suggestions, tell me what you guys liked about this video, tell me which slime was your favorite recreation. Now, let's get in. Okay, so we're going to start off with Snoops Slime's Barbie slime. This is supposed to be a pink and gold undertone slime. We're going to start off with, I already had some pre-made clear glue, so you're going to take some clear glue slime. And I added Pearl X gold pigment to this because you want a gold base for this slime. And then I decided to add in rose pink gel and then a pink food dye. And when I mixed this in, you'll see it turned out to be like red, not the color I was looking for at all. So I noticed how horribly it was looking, so I decided to try to fix this with some pigment powder. I added in tons of like neon pink pigment powder. This also didn't work. You'll see in the next clip. And you'll notice between clips that the beginning clip was recorded a couple days earlier. And you'll notice the quality difference because we finally purchased a new camera, so I'll have way better videos. So this is what it ended up turning like. I'll insert a clip here on Snoop Slime's Instagram video of her Barbie slime. Now, it's completely different. This did not turn out well. I'm horrible at this, but, you know, worth a try. Okay, so a big shout out to Coat Slimes for this idea of recreation of cereal milk from parakeet slimes. I started off with half a cup of clear glue, and then I put in half Amazon glue and then half glue all. So there'll be more ratio of clear glue, and then I add in 1 pump of foaming facial cleanser and 1 teaspoon of glycerin. I mix this all up and let it sit for a couple days, and I think I got a pretty good consistency compared to parakeet slimes. Since Amazon has like a creamy kind of color, it's not pure white, I did think that there was a bit of Amazon glue in this because parakeets isn't pure white. I did have to put some hot water in this slime because when I made this, I overactivated it because it was super hot out and I wanted it to sit for a couple days. But then as soon as I went to go play with it, it got cold out again and it got really stiff. So if you're wondering why it's pretty not super thick, it's because I just put a little bit too much water in it. But when it was thick, it was beautiful. And here's a clip of Parakeet's cereal box slime here. right, next is Peachy Baby's fruit gels. I'm going to do the blue raspberry one. Now, I already had some pre-made jelly slime, so I'm just going to use that. Stay tuned for next video. I'll have a jelly slime recipe soon. Now, she has a really minute blue color to her gels color, but obviously I'm dumb and put way too much blue in. So I already messed it up. I tried to put in some white paint to minute the blue. It still didn't work. It's still not even close to the color, but that's okay. We'll just ignore that for now. Then what I did is I noticed that she has some iridescent sparkles in her slime, so I added some. Then I added some crushed up clay pieces. I made some pink, purple, and blue because she has a little bit in each of her slimes. And I'm going to let this sit for a couple days and let's see the finished results. This is what it looked like. Now, like I said, way different, and that's why you should go buy from her slime. Hers are beautiful, and this is way different. But it is a good texture, and yeah, I tried. But anyway, I'll add a clip here and show you how awesome hers is versus what mine looks like. All right, big shout out to Mini Chachu for this idea. I'm doing Slime Obsidian's Ultraviolet. Now I started off with another pre-made clear slime. Now you have to get this color splash violet to make this slime work. It is a liquid watercolor. I just ordered it on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. Now I only added in about 3 little droplets. And after letting this sit, I do believe I should have probably put a little more in, but honestly, it's not bad, and this is probably the easiest slime to make. This watercolor has a beautiful magenta undertone, and it is gorgeous in the sunlight. Let's watch the next clip, and you'll see how beautiful it really is. Like I said, I think I should have added a little more color, but I do think overall this is a beautiful slime and this is so easy to recreate. I'll add a clip here of Slime Obsidian's video on his Instagram of his Ultraviolet. Okay, thank you to Code Slimes again for this awesome idea. This is Momo's lava cake. I'm going to start off with half clear glue, half school glue. I'm going to go 1 teaspoon of glycerin, 1 teaspoon of baby oil, and 1 pump of lotion. You want this to be super glossy, so you got to add in all these ingredients. I tried to put some red and green food dye gel into the slime, and it obviously didn't work, if you can see. So I dumped a whole bunch of brown dye and a little bit of a red undertone because it's a little red. I also added 1 black because it's super dark. It's like a beautiful chocolate color. So I added in, just kept on adding in dye till I thought it was a good color. I let that sit for a couple days, and now we're at the part where I'm going to make the clay top. I just took some Model Magic, dyed this brown, used a lid for this, and we're going to place it on top. Now, I think she uses cornstarch, but I didn't have any on hand, so I used baby powder. It essentially works the same. And for this, I cut up some foam chunks. And I think she uses clay pieces, but I didn't make any, so I used foam. And look at this beautiful recreation. This is definitely my favorite one, and I think I did the best on this one. This one is super thick and glossy. It was also the funnest one to play with, and yeah, I definitely just love this one. Now enjoy this ASMR. I'll also add a clip here. Okay, so thank you everybody for participating in my Instagram post. I really do appreciate all your ideas. They're all amazing. It really just went off of what I had for material for who I picked. Also, as always, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. Also, please hit that like button. And I'm going to be having some awesome content in the next couple of weeks. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time.